Hello and welcome to Ask a Mechanic. We're going to be continuing our videos today on noises. Now we're talking about noises that happen when you go over bumps. These are to do with your suspension. There is a variety of reasons why noises can exist when you go over bumps. They could be anti-roll bar links, there could be shock absorbers, you could have a snapped spring, it could be lower ball joints or sometimes upper ball joints depending on the type of suspension you have on your vehicle. These are not something that you can ignore. They are something that is very easily replaced. Normally, they're not particularly expensive, but you absolutely do need to get them checked out. They are an MOT failure and they can affect the direction that your vehicle takes when you brake or you speed up. So they're definitely something that needs looking at. Bye for now.